Hi everybody. Today's class is going to be a mix of these videos and also you going and completing assignments on Tone Savvy. First things first, Tone Savvy was a new program that we used last week. This was the program where you had accounts created by me, but you were hopefully supposed to change your passwords so no one else can sign in as you. But anyway, what we're doing today is I'm actually going to walk through the process of the assignments that I have sent to all of you. So today there are going to be 4 assignments. There's going to be 2 similar to what you did last week and 2 new ones. So the first one is going to be note names in the Treble Clef staff. This is one of the things that you did last week. This is going to be very similar. You still have to answer 10 correctly. You're allowed to get up to 3 answers incorrect, and you're allowed to use the hint button 5 times. The new thing, though, is that this is going to be timed. This is you have a maximum of 2 minutes, 120 seconds that count down to complete this. And I still think that should be plenty of time. I will do this and walk you through my thought process. I imagine I should be able to get this done in less than 2 minutes, even with explanation. But just be aware that you will have only 2 minutes to complete this assignment, this one assignment out of the 4. So anyway, when you sign into Tone Savvy and you check your assignments, now I'm looking at this from a teacher side where I'm previewing the assignment. I don't know if this is exactly what you're going to see, but here's the note names Treble staff. This is the first one you're going to do today. You can scroll down and click Start Quiz. So Note Savvy is going to show me this. We are in Treble Clef, and we have a note here on the bottom line. Now it lists our choices here, and we can even click Hint if we really want one. You know what? I will go ahead and show you this hint. So this doesn't give you every single note name, but it gives you all the notes that belong in the spaces. So this note's on a line, and the spaces above and beneath it are F and D. So if we think the alphabet, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Obviously, this has to be the note between F and D. So I'm going to click on E. Now you'll notice down here, there's also, it has the letter, and then it has the same letter again, but in brackets. All that means is that you can use your computer keyboard to answer. This one is up at the top. We know that the treble clef lines are E, G, B, D, F, and this is right above that F, so that has to be G. I'm going to type G in the keyboard. Now, again, treble clef lines, E, G, B, D, every good boy does. Fine is the ending of that. At this point, we've seen a whole lot of C recently. We should know this small line underneath the treble clef staff is C, so I'm going to click C, or I'm going to press C on my keyboard. The spaces in treble clef spell F-A-C-E. And the spaces start with F. The lines are E, G, F-A-C. So we know that the lowest line is E, and this is just beneath that, so that has to be the letter before E, which is D. And the lines are E, G, B, D, F. Look at that. Even with all my explanation, I could do that perfectly in less than 2 minutes. Just one thing, I know that I just did the assignment in front of you. You will not be given the same notes in the same order as me. This program has rules that I put into it, so it can only give you certain questions or certain notes, but they are in a random order.